Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check this one out. This is Adidas KYANITE YEEZY 700 V3 KYANITE, and this one is retail for $200, and it was dropped on March 25th, 2021. KYANITE is a kind of gemstone, and let's go ahead and unbox this. So at the bottom you have this Adidas logo right here, and since there's a dimension right here on the bottom of the box. In case you guys want to do some legit check, here's some of the recycle symbol. So this one is 700 on the top of the box. And then you got the 700 made by Adidas. And you got the Adidas logo right here. Make sure it is lined up in the midsection of this cutout. And also by looking at the cutout right here, make sure it is kind of rounded. And this pair is original, shipped from Adidas. And there's a blank on the side. Go ahead and check out the size label. And this one is the size 9.5, and this pair it is made in China. Here's the UPC code or the PO number, and then right there is the barcode. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So they come with the extra black shoelace with the black tip. Wow, look at this. Let's go and check out this size tag. Style number is GY0260, and this is male or for men. So as you can see on the laces on here, it is sealed. It is covered with this rubber material. I believe this is stitching or sew in. Yeah, look at that. And it's on both sides. So in order to put the other lace on, you need to cut this off. And this one is like a, instead of zip tie, it has this kind of like a drawstring or something like that. So, and as you can see, those are 3M reflective. And on the side panel, it is glow in the dark. We're gonna turn on some light and then test out later on. And then you got the gum sole on the outsole. And then on the midsole, you got this like a aqua color. Then on the midsole, you got this cream. And then on the back, you got the Adidas logo right there. And this is like a mesh see-through. So let's go and then turn on the light, and you see the 3M reflected, also the glow in the dark in this section. But before you do that, let's go and check out the insole real quick. Let me turn on the flash anyway. So yeah, on the bottom right here, it is like a see-through. So you can see my finger. Alright, I'm going to turn on the flash. Alright, here's with the flash on. You got the Ultra Light YEEZY, and then Adidas logo right there. And then the size label is under the tongue. Let's go ahead and check it out. There's the manufacture date right there. Wow, it says November 2020. Alright, so as you can see right here, it is 3M reflective. And then I'm gonna shine the light right here on the skeleton on the side panel right here. And after that, I'm gonna turn on the flash, see if it's gonna grow. Let me turn the light. Hold on, let me shine the light out again. Alright, there you go. Pretty cool, huh? So I didn't shine it the other side, so it's very dark, and this side is glow in the dark. Alright, so you guys see what it look like with the glow in the dark. So it's gonna work on both sides. Let's go and then check out the other shoes. So yeah, basically it's the same thing. So 2 dot right here. There's a dot right there too. And then you can see the nice pattern. And right here on this side, you got 1, 2, 3, and another dot right there. Oh yeah, right here, 1, 2, 3. And this one has a 1, 2, 3, and then 1 over there. And got 1, 2, 3, and then 1. I think it's like a 4. There's another dot right there. Well, I anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.